Shrove Tuesday, or Pancake Day as we love to call it, is a popular time for families in Britain. It's all about using up the good stuff: eggs, milk and sugar before Lent starts. Having pancakes the day before Ash Wednesday has been a tradition since the 15th century. It's a time for families and friends to get together, have fun in the kitchen, and flip some delicious pancakes. Traditionally, people would go all out, making stacks of pancakes with a variety of toppings and flavors. Lemon and sugar was a classic option, but we've got a bit more adventurous since then. So let's get flipping and dive into the wonderful world of pancakes. Now, let's talk about the heart of the pancake, the batter. It's a simple trio of ingredients, but each one plays a crucial role. First up, we've got flour, the backbone of our batter. It gives the pancakes their structure and a bit of chewiness. Plain flour is the traditional choice, but you can mix it up with wholemeal for a fiber boost. Next, it's the eggs, the royalty of baking. They bring richness, color, and help bind everything together. Plus, they're packed with protein to fill you up and keep you going. And lastly, we've got milk, which adds moisture and completes the batter. You can use cow's milk, but feel free to experiment with almond, soy, or oat milk for a twist. Making pancakes is easy. Here's how to do it. First, find a big bowl and whisk together 100 grams of plain flour and a pinch of salt. This forms the base of your batter. Secondly, make a well in the center and crack in 2 large eggs. The eggs will help bind the ingredients together and add richness to the batter. Start whisking from the middle, gradually incorporating the flour. This ensures a smooth mixture without any dry pockets. Slowly add 300 milliliters of milk, whisking continuously until you've got a smooth batter. The milk makes the batter light and airy. Don't worry about a few lumps, they'll cook out. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly normal and won't affect the final product. Next, heat a knob of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. The butter adds flavor and helps prevent the pancakes from sticking. Once it's sizzling, pour in some batter. The sizzling sound is a good indicator that the pan is at the right temperature. Cook for about 2 minutes or until bubbles start to appear on the surface, then flip and cook for another minute. This ensures even cooking and a golden brown finish. Now for the fun part, choosing your pancake toppings. If you're feeling fruity, strawberries and blueberries are always a good shout. For those with a sweet tooth, there's Nutella, Biscoff spread, or even a good old drizzle of golden syrup. But it doesn't stop there. Get experimental with chopped nuts, bananas, or even a dollop of yogurt. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's be honest, pancakes aren't exactly health food. They're often loaded with refined flour and sugar, making them more of a treat than a nutritious meal. But hey, it's Pancake Day, so let's not get too bogged down in the details. It's a day to indulge and enjoy, but we can still make smarter choices. Choosing the right toppings can make a big difference in how healthy your pancakes are. Lemon and sugar, while classic, can be a sugar overload. The tangy lemon helps cut through the sweetness, but it's still a lot of sugar. Fruit, on the other hand, is always a good choice, adding vitamins, fiber, and natural sweetness. Berries, bananas, and even apples can elevate your pancake game. Nutella and other chocolate spreads are high in sugar and fat, so best enjoyed in moderation. They can turn your breakfast into a dessert. Whipped cream and chocolate sauce are equally indulgent, so maybe save those for a special occasion. They add a lot of extra calories and sugar. If you're watching the calories, bananas and honey make a healthier topping, providing natural sweetness and potassium. Honey is a better alternative to refined sugar. And don't forget about yogurt. It adds protein and calcium without too much added sugar. Greek yogurt in particular is a great option for a creamy, tangy topping. So, what are you having on your pancakes this year? Let us know in the comments section. And if you happen to find the like and subscribe buttons while you're there, please share the love. Enjoy your pancakes.